Hi guys, it's me again, Jello Ray Canada, but this time I'll be discussing about the infix to prefix notation and the infix to postfix notation. So before that, before discussing the infix and to prefix notation, we have to know what is infix notation. So an infix notation is a notation in which an expression is written in a usual or normal format. Examples of infix notation are a plus b, or a times b, or a divided b, divided by b, etc. So therefore, the syntax of infix notation can be written as operand, operator, and operand. So an operand, mao ni siya, for example, mao ni siya ang atong a, b, c, or any letter of the alphabet, or numbers, or like 1, 2, 3, and so on. So an operator, mao ni sila ang atong plus symbol, minus, times, or the asterisk, the division or the slash symbol, exponent, and the parenthesis. Next is the prefix notation. So prefix notation, it is also known as Polish notation. In prefix notation, as an operator comes before the operands. So as it says, prefix, no, an operator comes before sa atong operand. So the syntax of prefix notation is given below: the operator, operand, and the other operand. So to avoid confusion, no, for example, if the infix expression is a plus b, then the prefix expression corresponding to this is infix expression is plus ab. So you can see, no, mas nauna na to ang atong operator plus, then sunod ang atong operand a and b. Consider another example. Ano siya? A plus b times c. So first, in the above expression, multiplication operator has a higher precedence than the addition operator. The prefix notation of b times c would be times bc. So here, in parsing expression or in converting expression, we have to take care of two things: the precedence order and the associativity. This is to assign the precedence order and associativity to each operator type based on an order of operation convention, or the PEMDAS. So the only exception is in the stack method, parentheses are used to isolate parts of the infix notation that are to be executed independently of the operators outside them. So wala naman ang parenthesis, so the exponent or the exponent symbol, this kani is has a 4 precedence, or has a 4 value of precedence, and its associativity is right to left. Next is the multiplication and the division. Both has the precedence of 3 value of 3, and its associativity is left to right. Next is the addition and the subtraction. So both also has has also a precedence of 2 value 2, and its associativity is left to right. So here, makita nga the multiplication operator has a higher precedence sa atong addition, as I said ganiha. The multiplication operator has 3, and while addition has only 2. So the prefix notation of b times c would be times bc. So mahimo na siyang a plus times bc. So second, the second scan, the prefix would be plus a times bc. So mauna na ang atong prefix notation. So next, sa di man tanan situation, we have a simple example, or we have a simple expression. So here, naka-example as the conversion of infix to prefix notation. So kani sa atong example, no, as you can see, numbers ako nga aking gamit kay for me mas prefer nako ang mas lisod na masayod ang numbers kaysa letters para nako. So here we have an expression 2 times parenthesis 1 plus parenthesis 4 times parenthesis 2 plus 1 parenthesis plus 3 parenthesis and the closing parenthesis. So in converting infix to prefix notation, we have first we have to reverse the expression. So dire na reverse ang atong expression. Reverse the parenthesis 3 plus parenthesis 1 plus 2 parenthesis times 4 parenthesis 1 plus 1 and parenthesis times 1. So here mo ni ang atong process sa pag-convert sa atong prefix to infix notation. So first we have a parenthesis character. So the parenthesis character will be pushed to stack. So since operator siya, mapush siya sa atong stack. So here na-push siya sa atong stack. Next is another parenthesis character. So since pressure sila, so ma-push siya sa stack. Push siya sa another stack. So next character is 3. So ang 3 kay operand man siya. So ma-append siya sa atong output. So 3 dara makita na to. Ang output na to is 3 and atong stack is copy ang parenthesis and the other parenthesis. So next character is the plus. So since a plus is an operator, so mapush siya sa atong stack. So mahimo siyang copy the duha ka parenthesis dayon plus, and our output is as it is 3 siya. Mana next is another parenthesis. So copy the both parenthesis and the plus, dayon i-add or will be pushed sa atong stack another parenthesis, and our output is at it is 3. Next is the 1 character. So since operand siya, so mapush siya sa atong output. So here mahimo na siyang C. Ang atong output mahimo siyang C and 1. And our stack is at it is mo lang gyapon the parenthesis plus parenthesis. Next is the plus symbol or the plus character. Since operator gyapon siya, so mapush siya sa atong stack. So here na-add na siya sa atong stack. Output is at it is 3 and 1. Next is the 2 character. So since operand siya, so mapush siya sa atong output nga stack. So mahimo siyang 3, 1 and 2 as it is ang atong stack. So next is an open parenthesis. So here since open parenthesis man siya, mangita siya og close parenthesis, no? Or since wait okay, since it is an opening parenthesis, mapop siya sa atong stack until a closing parenthesis is encountered. So ang atong plus symbol is mapop siya. So mapop siya sa atong stack and ma-append siya sa atong output here. Na-append, nakuha siya atong napap ang atong plus symbol and na-append siya sa atong output. So and then pop the closing parenthesis and from the stack and discard the both parenthesis. So ma-discard ang atong open and closing parenthesis. So here sa atong output ang nabili na lang is the parenthesis plus symbol. Next is the multiplication symbol or the asterisk. So since multiplication na sa higher precedence, so mapush siya sa atong stack. So mahimo na siyang copy the parenthesis plus asterisk. and our output is as it is maura gyapon 312 plus. Mo ni siya ang atong pag-pop sa atong sa ganiya nga stock. Next is the 4 character here. Since operand siya, so ma-add siya sa atong output. Here mahimo na siyang 312 plus 4, and our stock mao gyapon as it is. Excuse me. Next character is the another opening parenthesis. So since here no ato stock no naka-encounter magyapon tawag open parenthesis, so an opening parenthesis mapop niya ang stock until a closing parenthesis ma-encounter niya. So here ang na-encounter niya kay ang kaning asterisk and plus symbol. So ang atong asterisk and plus symbol ma-append siya sa atong output, and both the opening parenthesis and the closing parenthesis will be popped from the stock. So ang nahibili na lang sa atong stock karon is the closing parenthesis, and our output is 312 plus 4 asterisk plus or times plus na-append siya no. Next is the plus symbol. This ma-add siya sa atong stock since operator siya, so parenthesis plus na siya. So and atong output is at it is 312 plus 4 times plus. Next is an one character. So ang atong stock is at it is parenthesis plus. So ang atong 1 is mahimo na lang is ang atong output ma-add siya sa atong 1, so 312 plus 4 times plus 1. Next another opening parenthesis. So mapop siya sa atong stock if ever may encounter siya o closing parenthesis. So sa atong stock wala na so dire, so ang atong plus sign ma-append siya sa atong output, so mahimo na siyang 312 plus 4 times plus 1 plus here. Next is the times character. So ma-add siya sa atong stock since operator siya, and ang atong output is at it is 312 plus 4 times plus 1 plus. And lastly the two character or operand. So ma-add siya sa atong output, so 312 plus 4 times plus 1 plus 2. So next is to pop is to pop the remaining operator from stock and append it to our output, since ang nabili na lang sa atong stock is times, so ma-append siya sa atong output. Atong final output is a 312 plus 4 times plus 1 plus 2 times. Next is to reverse the final output, and our prefix karon is the here is it times 2 plus 1 plus times 4 plus 2 1 3. Mauna ni ang atong prefix notation gikan sa expression nga 2 times parenthesis 1 plus parenthesis 4 times 2 plus 1 plus 3 closing parenthesis. So next here no it's the infix to postfix notation. So postfix notation, the postfix expression or notation is an expression in which the operator is written after the operands. So for example, the postfix expression is infix notation 2 plus 3 can be written as 2 plus 2 3 plus. Here the syntax of prefix or the postfix notation is the operand operator. So last, no post like after. So ang atong operator is nasa last, kinalasan. So Dito na ta sa atong example, since kasabot na ta, dito na ta sa atong example to Inflix to Postfix. Here is also an expression para sa ganiya sa atong Inflix to Prefix. So karon, but ang conversion nato karon is Inflix to Postfix. So here, here expression is 2 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 1 plus 3 closing parenthesis to Inflix to Postfix expression. So first, the expression 2 or the character 2 is an operand, so ma-add siya sa atong output. Next is the dire sa postfix notation, no need na i-reverse ang atong expression, no? So next is the times or the asterisk. So since it is an operator, so mas ma-push siya sa atong stock. Next is the opening parenthesis. Since it is an operator, ma-push siya sa atong stock. So mahimo na atong stock as times parenthesis. And atong output is at it is 2. Next is the one character, one expression. Since it is an operand, ma-push siya sa atong output. So ang atong output mahimo nag 2 and 1, and our stock as at it is times parenthesis. Next is the plus character. Since it is an operator, ma-push siya sa atong stock times parenthesis plus, and our output is that it is 2, 1. Next is the another opening parenthesis, and it will be pushed to our stock. Mahimo siyang times parenthesis plus parenthesis, and our output is at it is 2 and 1. Next is 4 character. Since it is an operand, so ato siya padung sa atong output. So mahimo ang atong output mahimo ng 2, 1 and 4. In our stock as it is, maor na siya, same. Next is the asterisk or the times symbol. So since it is an operator, so ma-push siya sa atong stock. So ang atong stock mahimo ng times parenthesis plus parenthesis times. In our output as it is 2, 1 and 4. Next is the 2 operand. So it is since it is an operand, so ma-add siya sa atong output. Mahimo ng atong output mahimo ng 2, 1, 4 and 2. And our stock is that it is the same. Next is the plus symbol. So it is, since it is an operator, so ma-add siya sa atong stock or ma-push siya sa atong stock. Ang atong stock karon kay times parenthesis plus parenthesis times parenthesis plus, and our output is that it is 2, 1 and 2, 1, 4 and 2. Next is the one character or one expression. Since it is an operand, so ma-add siya sa atong output. So mahimo ang atong output mahimo ng 2, 1, 4, 2 and 1. And our stock is at it is the same. And here encounter the closing parenthesis. Since it is an closing parenthesis, it will be popped from the stock until a opening parenthesis will be encountered. So here ang unang na-encounter niya is plus. So ang atong plus nga symbol, it will append to our output. So ang atong output karon mahimo ng 2, 1, 4, 2, 1 plus, and ang atong both opening and closing parenthesis will be popped from the stock. So ang atong stock karon na bilin is times parenthesis plus times parenthesis. So next is the plus symbol. Since So mapush siya sa atong stock. So since the plus symbol has lower precedence than the multiplication symbol, so ang atong multiplication will be append to our output. So ang atong output mahimo ng 21421 plus times, and i-push ang atong plus symbol sa atong stock. So mahimo ng times parenthesis plus parenthesis plus. Next is the 3 operand. So padong siya sa atong output. So mahimo ng 21421 plus times 3. And our stock will as it is has the same. And next is the closing parenthesis. So since it is a closing parenthesis, mapop niya ang tanan stock, if ever until opening parenthesis would be encountered. So here ang napop na stock is the plus sign. So the plus symbol ma-append siya sa atong output. So mahimo ng 21421 plus times 3 plus. Since ang atong opening and closing parenthesis will be also popped from the stock. So ang nabili na lang nato is the times parenthesis plus. Next is also a closing parenthesis, and until maka-encounter siya of opening parenthesis, atong stock inside it will be append to our output. So atong plus sign is ma-append sa atong output. So mahimo ng 21421 plus times 3 plus plus. And since wala na, so tanan i-pop na to ang remaining operators from the stock, and i-append na to ang atong i-append na to sa atong kanang output. So kani atong times nga operator, or wala yung sakto, times operator will append here sa atong output. So mahimo ng 21421 plus times 3 plus plus times. So our final output dahil mo na ni. So our final output sa postfix expression is the 21421 plus times 3 plus plus times. And that is all for today. Thank you.